Hi everyone, this is Senior Create Heart, and I'm back with a haul. This is my Black Friday haul, part 1. So let's get into it. This is a voiceover. I'll do the best I can. First off is Picket Fence Studios. I did purchase this stamp set. I think it was only a couple of dollars. It was part of a special sort of promotion on some of their 6x6 stamp sets. I don't know if I'm going to have a chance to use it. I really hope I do because it's adorable. We'll see. I have so many things and so little time. But there's a lot of free gifts too. And so this one's called Winter Has Come to Town. I think it's really, really cute. So anyway, I don't even know if there's a die for it or not. That wasn't on special. And then I also, I'm trying to figure out what I have to share with you guys. So I've got this toner, which I ended up buying twice. Go figure. But I definitely can use it. It's Fabulously Glossy A2 card fronts, and these are really fabulous if you're in a rush or you just want a background. And then I also got some of their watercolor paper splatter, and I think it was buy 3 get a 4th for free, but they picked out the 4th, and so I ended up with a black that I already have, which is fine. I think Black Magic was the freebie. But I got an opaque black, I got the white splatter, and then I got some kind of a pink. I am going to do a little more splatter, I guess. But they're really fun, and you could actually watercolor with these and a lot of other things. And so I did buy those, and then, you know, I got a lot of free gifts. So I got these envelopes. I also believe that we also got these little misters if we bought some splatter. So I got these mini misters. I think there's 4 of them, but they're kind of like rolling all over the place. So, you know, I'm kind of gathering them up, and then my desk is a mess from all the other projects I've been working on. But yeah, here they are, and I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I will figure it out. So I got these cute little misters. And then the freebie was some sequins. These are pure cottontail, I think, sequins, but they were just kind of randomly thrown, you know, in my order, and I'm happy about that. So the next thing I think I'm going to share, my scrapbook.com order. So there was a lot of free gifts for Black Friday. So it was pretty amazing. I'm trying to get some other stuff out and put away because I need to put that that stencil where it goes. It's part of a 4-piece set, and I didn't put that one away. So there's some freebies here. I did get, I did purchase the Waffle Flower Round Critter bookmark stamp and the stencil. You can see I also purchased this Picket Fence card fronts again. What the heck? But I did purchase that. I may be looking for the dies. I just didn't want to. I just wanted to hit my quota, which I think if you spent 45, I think that's where I was at. Then you got that red magic mat, the holiday magic mat. And make sure there's a card kind of floating around. And so I got this for free, which is the Spellbinders 3D embossing folder. Amazing. I can't believe we got that for free. We also, see there's that magic mat. You spend $45, then you got the holiday limited edition. That didn't matter to me, but I kind of liked it, so I got it. This is a new stamp set, Holly Jolly Christmas, that was included, and we also got a foiling toner cardstock, which is amazing. So I was pretty excited about that. And then Scrappy Boys stamps, they don't do very much sales. They usually just kind of figure, I think once a year. I mean, they don't do a lot. So I did buy a few things. I don't buy tons from them, but they do have some unique products that I like. I did get this 6x6 paper pad. It's called, I don't know, something about reading. And then this one, which is this Enchanted Forest, which I am just digging that stuff. So here's the game controller card and mini album. I think this is sort of a unique thing I don't really have in my stash. Great for boy cards, and you could make a shaped card too. And then this one is a pirate ship, which I don't have anything like that really either. So that was fun. And then this is a hoodie shaped card, which I have a lot of teens, so I thought that one would be really fun. Or a lot of teens in my life right now. between my children, who are both teenagers, my son's girlfriend, and I have a niece who's a teenager as well, and then I have a tween in my life. So Pink and Main, a ton of free gifts. So let's dig into what I got. I need to start like having time to create because I got so many things. So I did get this cheer foil in black, and then I did get this stamp set, which is called some Cozy Penguins, I think. It's adorable. I think it would be fine also for winter cards. It wouldn't necessarily have to just be Christmas. There's even nothing Christmas really on there. I got this die, which is different ways to make trees. So all different tree kind of shapes. I did get this foilables, which I would love to use before the season ends, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to. Look how cute that is. And then I got this tea die, which I just don't have a tea die that's this shape, so I got that. Silver toner in foilables. This is called Spill the Tea. It's a very adorable stamp set. And here is Tea Sentiments. It's called Tea Time. And then freebies. So we got the, let's see, a couple freebies. One are these stickies. I don't even know how they work. I think you can foil them, emboss them, put flocking powder on them. I also got that embossing folder. So fun things to play with, and they were part of the freebies that they had going on for Black Friday. So there's that. I think I was looking at that going, what the heck do I do with it? And then I got some other things for free. So we got some gems, and then there are whatever those are, and some sequins. Those were in there as well. And then a craft cleaner, some embossing powder. This one's in red. Here's the stamp cleaner. And then these fine tip bottles. So from the Greening Farm, I bought two. They were 30% off from the Greening Farm site. I had my eye on both of these. They're adorable. I don't know if I'm going to have a chance to use this one. It's so cute. It's the Holiday Anya 12. I love her so much. And then I have this one, which is the Frosty Kisses Anya, which I think is adorable. And then I did buy a Black Friday thing from Tailored Expressions. She had two, I think, special, I don't know what you call them, specials. And so I did buy this one. The other one was of no interest to me, but this one I really liked. It was a really, really good deal. So $65, but you got a lot of products, including consumables that you could use, which is always nice. So I'm taking everything out. So you also got this cool plastic folder thingy to put it all in. So we got a pack of paper in craft and white, and then 4 colors you see there, which I will go over in a second. And then we also got the Happy Half Sheet Volume 3. I have Volume 1 and Volume 2. I'm going to do some videos in the new year using these. It's kind of a similar concept that back we used to do the full sheets, and then we would cut them and use them to make cards. This is a half sheet, and it will make 4 cards. I think it's a very fun concept. And then we got half sheets in craft and in white, so that they're just ready to go for us to stamp them. And then you can just cut them up in different ways. I'm just kind of putting everything back, so it's just easier for me to put away. And we also got these True Color cards, which I'm just collecting because it's just nice to have all these color sort of inspiration cards. And so I have all of these, and I think that they're really fabulous because, you know, they do sell. There is a company out there that sells these sort of inspiration cards, and they're a little pricey. I think they're pretty cool too. I mean, I don't know, maybe someday I'll get them, but in the meantime I use those. We also got this Birthday Bash stamp and the die as well, so almost worth the cost of admission just for that alone. And then we got some fun goodies, a ruler, and some birthday bash gems, bits and pieces they call them, a glue thing, and then an acrylic block. And then we also got some stamp pads and the little mini ones. And those are the colors that are in the paper. So really fun. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Crane with the Heart.